Alright folks, I've done my ministry video, back to our hiking video, and more than likely these are videos here get long, so it might be an actual second video, I don't know. I'm going to show Joe the end of this trail, and so he can see it and how you can get out of the forest this way as well. Yep, it's still snowing quite heavily.
Picked up a little bit too.
Yeah, and just recently, I think. Wow. We'll have to drive carefully on our way back. Oh, this is the way out. We will take that. Actually, we're going to probably do it right now, but I want to show you. I don't know if you've seen my video where I did a whole video on that rock.
Oh, wait. You were on it?
So this is the way out. We will go see it, and then we're going to continue that way when we come back. And there were lots of berries here. Raspberries. If you watched my hiking video here, I was eating raspberries while I was recording videos. It's all this right here. Oh, and by the way, there is a porta potty up here if you need to use it.
Oh, I'm good.
Remember I told you I ran into some hunters? It was right at that intersection.
You're always trying to find edge.
So this is private property, but you are allowed on this trail.
Okay.
So we can't leave the trail in this area. And you'll see some no trespassing signs up ahead. But this is Richard Ray Drum or something like that. This is a forest that we can walk in. That's the restroom. I took this trail maybe 300 yards, but it had just done raining and it got thick and I got wet. So I turned around and came back.
I remember that building now.
Oh, you seen it in a video?
I remember seeing that. My brain's ticking.
So it's kind of different. You've seen a video, now you walked here. So as you can see, we've left the river, but once again, we'll come back. I changed the battery, folks. We were at 17%, so I know how long these videos get, and I want to record this winter scene. It's so beautiful, so I definitely have changed the battery, and we'll be good. By the time you see this, though, this probably happened a month ago. My life is busy right now, so this is not going to go up quickly. But I will get it up for you folks. And you might see this after the end of January or February. So there's the posted sign. you'll see up ahead, this is available to walk. It's a conservancy. The public is available to be here. So what's happened, folks, is why I'm so busy. My mom has passed away, and I'm the executor of her will, so I'm taking care of all those things. I'm okay, folks, but that's why it's going to take time for this video to get published. They see the end. We'll walk up there so you can see all the signs. A small parking area.
I have a story about one of my times in nature on Mackinac Island, if you're interested in hearing it.
Okay, well, I don't know if you want it published.
Well, it's out there. It's unique, and it's something I've never seen in my life before. So I guess I had been walking through the forest. It was during the time that I was on medical leave, and I was trying to get back in shape because I had an issue. But I was walking through the forest, and I had been overcome with joy, so much so I just had to say out loud that I appreciate everything I saw. So what happened is, as I was walking, I came back and turned around because I saw a dead end. And when I come back, and mind you, no one's in nature, the season just opened up, no one's in the woods, but I come back to the spot that I had said that I enjoyed and respected and I loved what I saw. It said in the dirt, and I'm not kidding, it said enjoy. Written in the dirt, and I was like, there's no one here. Who?
That's cool.
But that, yeah, I thought it was a unique story that I could share.
Is that scene just beautiful?
Yes. It is amazing. Sorry, it just came to mind and I wanted to share it.
That's cool. Thanks for sharing.
Like I said, it's out there. I can't explain how it happened. It just happened.
So we see people's tracks here, so people have been parking here.
Mm-hmm. So my first immediate thought is, because it's tribal land, I thought it was something spiritual. To be honest, I didn't. I still think about it today.
Yeah, who knows? Who knows?
Right up to this road.
Yep, this is that highway we were just up down the road. So yeah, Richard J. Drum Memorial Forest. See, it says here, right here, welcome, conservative area. So you can hike here, enjoy the hiking trails. Hunting and fishing, please do not cut and pick, remove trees. So you just got to stay on the trail. So this is a place you can hike, but you got to stay on the trail. Controlled by the Isaac Walton League. Remember, I showed you their sign.
Yep.
At the reforestation camp.
I actually like this. It's pretty cool.
But this is a different chapter because we're in a different county. This is Manitowoc County. So they have their own chapters, you know, different clubs for each county. trail there. There's actually a they have a private gate over there that trail goes to for those owners.
I hope someday I'll have the ability to have a property where I can do something like that. I'd love to make trails. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know about opening it to the public, but if somebody wanted to see it, I'd probably let them. I'm so relaxed right now. Even YouTube doesn't do it justice. You have to be in person to see it. It really truly is. I tried every time with the hardest cameras to take good pictures in nature, and it doesn't translate. Never.
But you've watched videos of me here.
Yeah.
And now you've been here.
Yep.
And you're on YouTube watching it.
It's
and being
amplified. That's why I enjoy coming with you, because it's worth it. It's better than watching it. Better than watching it. It's okay to watch YouTube, but you got to see it to believe it.
Well, I encourage people to come to these places. That's why I make ranking lists to tell people where to find it. That yellow forest, people need to find and see that yellow forest. It's only the yellow for like a week, 2 weeks. I don't know if you've seen my video on the yellow forest. I did a whole tour of it like a month ago.
I've seen it.
You did see it?
It's amazing. The contrast between the color of the log itself, or the tree itself, versus the leaves. It pops.
People need to go see it. It is amazing. It's the most beautiful fall experience I've ever seen in my life. Right there in Green Bay. Go see it. Look for the link, Yellow Forest.
There's a group of people, I think they're called leaf watchers. They travel to watch the changing of the leaves.
Yep.
Wisconsin is especially, they get hit with them. It's an amazing experience to watch the change of the trees and the vibrant colors you get. It's just amazing. It's otherworldly almost.
Well, when I started doing videos, because I do these videos all year long, so I see the entire season change, and I'll only miss like 3 weeks of a year. So when I started, you know, I've been in Wisconsin, but I didn't do my whole life go out and hike every week all year long until I started doing my videos. So I've seen nature change week to week all year long for like 3 years now. It's amazing what you see and learn about that.
Even this season's been unique with how long we went without snow.
Yeah, it's crazy, folks. Winter in Wisconsin, we usually get it 50% of the time Thanksgiving week, but we're just getting it now. Now, I think we did have snow earlier, but it all melted. I think we had some, I think it was before Thanksgiving. Is that true? Do you remember correctly? I think we had snow, but it all melted.
It was light. It was like overnight. I woke up, I saw a dusting. My wife was like, "Snow!" And then I'm like, it melted so fast. It just went.
Yeah.
It was gone. It didn't last, but it's creating a lot of good photo opportunities, especially out here on this trail, because like there's still vibrant greens next to absolute whites.
That's the spring we saw earlier, folks. And the water running through.
And for people who need inspiration for art, it's a good place for it. It's inspired me a lot, that's for sure. I love it.
It's a beautiful place. I know probably a lot of hikers don't like to share their favorite spots, but I really want people to see what I see.
Nature's for everyone. But I also can understand that view.
Yeah, all this area, there's tons of berries. Lots of raspberries here. Really big ones, juicy. They were so tasty.
Well, at least this time I'll get to see them ripe so I can pick some myself. I love raspberries.
Yeah, I do too. So I don't know what's up with this bike, folks. It was not here before. Someone abandoned their bike. They probably lost their tire and just left it in the woods. That wasn't there before. So we probably got about, once we get to the main trail, probably 2 minutes, we're going to turn right, and we probably have about 10 minutes of walk, and then that trail ends. So I'm going to show you the dead end. I've recorded it before. I don't know if you saw it.
Well, if I watched the video, I'm remembering it probably did. It's just there's so many nature videos I've watched. It's hard to remember them all at once.
Yeah.
That's why it takes me a bit to pull memories out so I can remember what we're doing.
Some of the qualities of the videos I've done here are not good because it was dark.
Yeah.
And it was very bouncy and didn't look good. Because once it gets dark, the GoPro will start to bounce around.
I'd have to say your biggest capture, for me, my personal favorite of your capture is that one where you walked and the music's going over it.
Oh.
It's in your intros.
Oh, you mean my intro to my hiking videos?
Yeah, you're circling in this, like, looks like where a waterfall used to be, but there's like cliffs around you.
Oh, yes.
Almost encircling.
We almost went there last time, but I wasn't feeling well, remember?
Yeah.
I almost showed it to you. One of these days I'll take you there.
We'll get a chance, I'm sure. Wow, it's amazing.
It is. It's private property on the other. Actually, parts of the other side do belong to the same forest, but there's no access to it. But some of the other side is private property. But I don't know where that public line is, and since we don't have access, it doesn't matter.
Like, by all rights, this should be frozen right now.
Well, it's 32 now, so although it was below 32 earlier. Oops, snow don't fall on me.
Well, if we can keep this temperature up overnight, it should harden some.
Okay. All right, this will be interesting. It's wet, be careful.
Okay. That rock was nice and grippy. Oh, that's cool. That rock right there got split into three. It's all colored moss.
I want to record a video in these cedars. I feel it'll be a really safe place to sit because very few people come down here.
Yeah.
I want to do a sitting video here. Oh yeah, that's right. We gotta get around this place. This is the place we have to skirt around because that tree fell. Look, there's no snow there.
Wow.
Look at that, folks. No snow here. So either the ground is real warm or has lots of protection or both. We're almost to the dead end. Matter of fact, it might be right here. Yep, this is the dead end. And here's the dead end of the trail. So I don't know if you want to go down there. All right, folks, we're going to head back to the park. Explore the rest of the caves he hasn't seen. At this point, I would usually turn off the camera since we're backtracking, but since we have such beautiful snow here, I'm going to keep recording, folks. I hardly recorded being in a snowstorm. I've done one really big snowstorm. I've done 2 or 3 light snowstorms, so I want to record it. Yeah. And capturing winter scenes is just amazing. Lost the trail. I think that's the trail up there. Don't want to slip. Alright, taking my gloves off, I'm getting warm again. Sorry about that, folks. This is halfway between Manitowoc and Green Bay. I don't know if I've given that details before. I love this river, and a winter river, it just makes it even more beautiful. What's
All
that? Oh, you fell?
good. Yeah,
Oh, I see.
it's okay.
You're okay?
Yeah,
All right.
got my side pulled. You'll probably see it in the video. I was right behind you.
Well, I edit these videos, so.
Still funny though.
So once again, it was on this rock. I will be linking to that video in the video I made today. So you'll see the link there. It'll be easy for you to find it, as I discussed it in the video today. And again, if you go to my YouTube channel, my picture of me on that rock from down below is the picture of the YouTube channel. I'm so glad I came here today. I wanted to do it, and now it snowed, so I came. I'm glad I came here. Hoping you're enjoying this video, folks. If this is a second video and you like the first, that's great. Please hit the like on this video as well, if this is a second video. If it's the same video, don't hit like again, because then you'll unlike it. I believe it was right here, folks, when I turned back the video on. So this portion we didn't record for the hiking video. Well, we did in summer, but this portion of the winter hike you did not see. Once it gets icy, I'll be wearing those claw things on my boots.
Yeah.
But it's not slippery yet for me.
Well, I've been putting getting boots aside so she could afford her trips. She still has to take lift rides. So. Something at work. I'm gonna buy myself some really good ones.
There's a spider web here with snow on it.
Yep. Oh, that's cool. I'm actually surprised that there's any spider webs out still.
What was that?
I'm surprised there was actually any spider webs out still.
Oh, yeah.
But again, we've had weird weather lately, so.
I think I'm gonna take my earmuffs off. I'll be right back. Is my hair soaking wet?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there's trees still with leaves still. That's awesome.
Yes, these leaves on this kind of tree, they stay up all. They'll fall off at the springtime. I like to come down here next to the river. Oh, so beautiful. So beautiful. You see on the other side of the river is a private property sign.
Mm-hmm. Lucky people whoever owned that property. Beautiful land.
Yeah. It was somewhere along here where the river turns. It possibly here where I caught the eagle, and it flew down the river around that corner. I think it was down there on one of those rocks, maybe fishing or something,
Probably.
and whoosh, whoosh, right down the river corner of the river.
I'm hoping to have something on that project I'm doing, to have something like this, because you could take advantage of this natural water source.
Yeah.
Use it for energy, like clean energy. They've got contraptions you build now that use water to generate. I mean, they always did, but
Yeah.
they've advanced it.
Yeah. See, this is why I love cedars. Look at that. I love the shapes the cedars make. I just
have a specific grow pattern. Like, I think this is a different tree, or it's the same. It's not the same tree. It grew through it.
yeah. Oh, just beautiful. You're going to see the eagle's nest today. I don't know if you saw it in the video, but we'll walk by there today.
All right.
Do you remember seeing the eagle's nest in my videos?
Yes.
Yes?
It was titled that, I believe. There's something about Eagle's Nest. But I'm pretty sure I've seen it.
Man, I'm just so enraptured by the scenes on this river. Summer or winter. Wow, just so amazing. Gotta hit the like button. Oh, such beautiful. I might get tired of winter in a month or 2 or 3, but right now I just love it.
Well, I haven't actually seen a decent winter in a while, being that I was in Oklahoma and then in a different state. So for me, this is a treat. Being back home in Wisconsin, getting to see a fresh winter again.
partially frozen just makes it beautiful like that, calm. The snow on this tree. Huh. Yeah, we're getting to the rocks now. The
It'll
cliff.
probably get highlighted with snow.
Yeah. Just so beautiful. Man. Go through bad things in life and then we see this and we just get full of joy and happiness again.
It's like a reset for your whole being.
All right, folks, here is we ended part 1.
Here we go.
Just so peaceful and calm. Man, does my heart good. Does my heart good. I needed this. I needed this day. It's been a rough 2 weeks, folks, for me. I needed this day. If things go, possibly, I might be upgrading my camera from insurance money.
That would work for your stuff.
I don't know yet. I'm thinking about that, but highly thinking about it. Oh, man. Just the whiteness on the trees. Oh, that scene is just amazing. And seeing the snow fall down like that is so cool. And recording it.
I like this tree right here. It looks like it's got
Oh, yes.
sugar going on.
Yeah.
It doesn't even have like that normal snow texture. It's.
I just love that scene right there. All the snow on the rocks. This really, really, really is doing great things for my heart. Seeing all this. That's just so beautiful.
I had to fix my hat.
Oh, I almost turned my ankle there. We're getting up to the rocks where that slippery spot is, so be careful with these rocks here.
Okay.
Ooh, I slipped a little there. All right, so you're gonna see some more rocks and caves. Unstackable rocks keep out. Oh, that's cool how they put the wood with the rocks. Huh.
For when it settles, I guess.
Again, that's new. They had started it, but so I don't know if you're gonna take any pictures. Wow, look how green it is there. You're gonna start seeing some really small caves in here. This is a cave you can enter. I'm not crawling in, but you're welcome to if you want to.
Oh wow. There's quite a bit more in there.
Yeah, I know. You can go in if you want
I have the
to.
right pants on. If I have my jeans on, these will rip very easily. This is nice.
This is as far as I'm going to go.
There's another crawl space. definitely awesome. This one probably goes straight out the other one that's out there. Some good spelunking.
There's one behind you too.
Oh wow. Yeah, there's something that goes over that way. Quite possibly. If we come back here in the spring or something, and I have jeans on, I'll go in there and get a recording of it inside.
We're gonna leave the park this way. We're gonna leave the park this way, but for now we're gonna go this way, and then we'll come back and leave. Okay? Because there's a couple more caves for you to see. Up there is the eagle's nest, so we're gonna go out that way. Hollow log.
Nice.
I think this is another cave you can enter in. This is going to be slippery walking here. Be careful.
Okay.
This is called Cooper's Cave.
I'll catch up with stuff too.
Next time I tell you we're coming here, maybe we can bring some flashlights. So I'm not gonna go deep in, folks, because I don't have no lights, but here we are.
I got you.
I've already been in there before, so I'll let you do your exploring. We're at 36% battery, folks, but we're almost done. Probably got 10-15 minutes yet. Ooh, a little slippery there. I actually slipped on this bridge right here during the rain. I almost fell on my butt on here. So be careful on this bridge. Oh, water's coming from the caves.
Mm-hmm. I got a couple of drips on my head. I felt them hit. Actually, the water that comes through the rocks is pretty clean.
This might have been the last cave. Well, we're gonna go this way just to find out and double check. Hope you folks are enjoying this winter hike. Beautiful scenes today. Oh, yep, and here's the New Hope Cave. That's the big one where they tour. So we've been there. Okay, so we're just gonna turn around. All right.
Mm-hmm.
My favorite is, I really like the spring cave. You know, we don't get to see much of the cave, but it's just cool seeing all that water come out.
Yeah.
I really like it, and I like the spring itself going down the hill. Again, I spent an hour recording that. Different angles. We're gonna go eat at Mission Barbecue, folks, after we leave here. Mission Barbecue closed 3 months ago. They had a fire. It's a barbecue restaurant I recently found in Green Bay. Was enjoying. I went there like 8 times in 7 weeks. And so I've been missing it. I'm gonna take my nephew Joe there today. They opened back up on Friday. Actually, they opened up on Wednesday. I found it was open on Friday.
I'm excited. They're up on the bridge up there.
We're gonna head up there ourselves. There is they call it a stairway cave. There's like a small cave here as well. And you'll see a few little dinky ones right here. See, maybe not so dinky, but they locked it up. There's some in here and some here.
I'm surprised the animals haven't burrowed in some of these.
Well, maybe some do.
Perfect spot for it.
And by the way, you are on camera somewhere here.
Here.
30 years probably.
Wow.
I used to crawl through these caves before they had cages on them.
Yeah. Oh, that's lucky.
Maybe that's the cave down there.
That could, yeah.
There's a sign saying stairwell cave or something like that. Bird nest up there. Oh, there's the eagle's nest. Do you see it?
Yep, yep.
We're gonna walk right under it. It's kind of cool in the winter.
I wonder where they go during the winter.
I do believe eagles stay in Wisconsin for winter because there is, near the end of the winter, they gather at the Fox River. I was there and I saw it. But I don't know if they stay all winter. I don't know all that information.
Gives me more things to look up when I get home. Because if I don't look them up, my brain's going to bother me about it. I have to know the answer.
We'll walk by that, but I think there's another way around.
Okey-dokey.
I want you to see the overview.
Oh, this is that up. Yeah, it's that torch they're building up. Beautiful.
Wow. Beautiful view.
You can still smell the fresh cut wood. The sawdust.
Yeah.
That smell. It's like my secret obsession is cut wood.
So there is technically a cave here, but they got it covered. You can't see it. It's called the Sinkhole Cave.
Here's another like little brush pile.
And that's it right here. This is the Sinkhole Cave. You're not going to see anything. And there it is, the eagle's nest. Unless you go to a zoo, this might be the closest you'll get to one in the wild, which is pretty close.
Yep.
Well, folks, that's going to conclude our hike today. Hope you enjoyed it. Once again, if you haven't hit like, please do so. And I'm not going to be doing a lot of hiking videos in winter summer comes around, I'll probably do more. But if I have something beautiful to see and record, if you know me, I will record it. All right, folks, that's it. And my nephew Joe. And we'll see you again sometime. Have a good day. Bye-bye.